Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an eyebrow tutorial, and I figured I'd put this video up because you guys keep asking me, Layla, how do you get your eyebrows done really nicely? How do they last the whole day? Don't they rub off? Blah blah blah, stuff like that. So I want to show you how I do my eyebrows. It's pretty easy and you don't even need a lot of things really. Just a few simple things and simple steps to get your eyebrows looking on fleek. And this is a basic tutorial for beginners really. Anyone, let's say you're blue, you don't know how to do your eyebrows, so you're in the right place. And without further ado, let's get to the video. What you need for this tutorial is whatever I use, this EYEPENCIL. It's at what, Davis EYEPENCIL, and most people use it, so it's number 018. I don't know if you can see it. It's number 18. It's brown in color. It looks something like this. It's brown, and there are many Davis brown EYEPENCIL, so go and look for number 18. You need a concealer brush. It looks like this. Don't ask me where I got mine. I just got it from somewhere. And you need a spoolie or something that looks like this. It's like a comb for your eyebrows, something like this, or this, or a spoolie brush, which looks like a spoolie brush looks like the top of a mascara thing. Like a spoolie brush would look like this. So yeah. Anyway, an actual concealer. I use this. It's some concealer I got from, you know, these fake concealers, but it does the work. As long as you have concealer, you don't have to go buy expensive. Just improvise and work with what you have. So let's get started on the video. So first of all, you have to make sure your pencil is sharp, really sharp. So you sharpen it, and what you do, let me even get close. Don't want you guys to start saying, oh, Layla, I couldn't see, Layla this, Layla that. So just start by lining your eyebrows from the bottom, really, like this. Just lining, drawing a faintish line at the outer part of your eyebrow, and then another faintish line at the top outer part of your eyebrow, like this. You see there's a bottom line, faint one, and a top line, like that. And then you fill it in. And then you extend the bottom line into the inner part of your eyebrow, like, you see, like this, and keep filling. And this thing, you have to follow the direction of how your hair grows, really. So at the inner corner of the eye, the eyebrow hair grows like this. So here you fill it in like this, light strokes, like this. The outer part you do like this. It's really easy. I don't know if you guys will see, and if it will not work, I'll do an updated version of this video, but for now, work with me. And then take a comb or a spoolie brush and comb to make the eyebrows look less artificial, really. So yeah. conceal so that your eyebrows are really on fleek. So you take a generous amount of concealer and put it on your concealer brush like this. And this is the hard part. So you start at the inner part of your eye, going outside, following a line, a consistent line. So I usually like blending with my fingers just to make sure all the concealer down there is blended, and as you can see, it already looks on fleek. And that's the bottom part. Normally I usually do this bottom part only, but if I want my eyebrows to look extremely extremely on fleek, whatever the case, I will also put concealer on the top part. But you can also just leave it like this and just comb and you're done. But I'm going to finish this and put just above here, just following the line the way you've done at the bottom part. So yeah. This is the finished look. I've done both sides and I started with this one, and as you can see, my eyebrows look like twins, I think. Yeah, they look like twins, and it's not really hard to, to get this look, and it's very affordable for someone who is a beginner. I hope this tutorial really helped because the products I use are cheap. This is like 20 shillings. Concealers are cheap. The brow comb is also cheap. The concealer brush is easy to find and also cheap. So I hope this video was of help to you guys, and if it helped you, please like, and while you're liking, hit the subscribe button too for more videos in the future. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video with eyebrows on fleek. And by the way, before I forget, if let's say you don't put makeup, you don't put foundation, you don't put anything, you can just take powder and you see these places that look yellowish, just dab powder that is your skin color. Just dab powder there so that it doesn't look like you just done your eyebrows and now you're walking around looking crazy or something like that. Just dab powder and that part will fade or will look like your skin color. That is if you're not putting on foundation. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it, and see you guys in my next video.